Stuck in a paper jam? Learn to create paper from scratch in Little Alchemy. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let's turn your digital world into a paper wonderland. To create paper in Little Alchemy, start by combining water with earth to get mud. Now combine water with air to get rain. Now combine rain with earth to get plant. Now combine plant with mud to get swamp, and then combine air with fire to get energy. Combine swamp with energy to get life, and now combine life with earth to get human. Now we'll go to the second set of our elements. Combine fire with earth to get lava. Now combine air with lava to get stone. Now combine fire with stone to get metal. Now combine human with metal to get tool. Combine stone with air. So here is stone, here we have air. That will give us sand. Now combine fire with sand to get glass, and now combine sand with glass again to get time and hourglass. We don't need hourglass, we need time. Combine plant with time to get tree, and now combine tool with tree to get wood. After that, combine earth with earth to get pressure, and finally combine wood with pressure to get paper. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.